An object travels at an angle of 50 degrees to the horizontal and travels a horizontal distance of 6.2 meters in 1.4 seconds. Calculate the initial speed of the object. Now, this is a projectile motion. So, let's start by writing what we are given in the question. So, what are we given? We are given the angle theta. So, the angle theta is 50 degrees. Then we are given the horizontal distance. That is S. Letter S is equal to 6.2 meter. And then we are given the time. T is equal to 1.4 seconds. And then we are asked to find the initial speed, which is U. The initial speed also means the initial velocity. Don't forget, in physics, we use speed and velocity interchangeably or synonymously. That means we can mention speed or mention velocity and mean the same thing, even though they are not exactly the same. So now we are to look for speed, which is initial velocity, initial speed, which is same as initial velocity. So the formula to apply here, first of all, let me look at a horizontal projection. When a body is thrown horizontally, the formula to find the horizontal distance is S is equal to UT. So for an object that is thrown horizontally, this is the formula to find the distance traveled horizontally. Now, if an object is thrown at a particular angle to the horizontal, in that case, you modify this formula and write S is equal to U cos theta. Because in this case, the component of the initial velocity will be U cos theta. That will be the component that or the effective velocity now, because it is not thrown horizontally, but thrown at an angle theta. So you modify the U as U cos theta and then multiply by T. So this is the formula we're going to be applying in this question for a projectile. So now to calculate this horizontal distance of the projectile, we just substitute in the values. So that will be equal to the value of U, which is what we are looking for. We are looking for the initial speed, which is U. The distance has been given to us as 6.2. That's the horizontal distance, 6.2. And then multiply by the cosine of the angle. So that will be cos 50 degrees. And then multiply by the time given to us is 1.4. So that will result into U multiplied by the cosine of 50 is 0.6428. From your calculator, you can get this to 4 decimal places and then multiply by 1.4. So by the time we multiply all this, we have our 6.2 here. 0.6428 multiplied by 1.4 is going to give us 0.89992. And then multiply by U, we'll write U there. So for us to get the value of U, we now divide both sides by this value. We divide both sides by 0.89992. And they also divide this side by 0.89992. So that this, we cancel this, and we are left with U. So let me write that U first. And that will be equal to 6.2 divided by this value is going to give us 6.89. 6.89. And then meter per second. So this is the value of the initial speed with which the object was projected. And that gives us the final answer. Hope you enjoyed this video on projectile. Please don't forget to like, share, and join for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.